Class 5, I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about Chapter 2, Animal World. Today, in this lecture video, we will discuss about the topic migration. Yesterday, we had already discussed about the movement of animals. That different animals have different type of organs for movement depending upon their surrounding. Today we will discuss about migration. So what is migration, class? When animals moves in a huge amount of number or huge numbers, or you can say mass movement of animals from one place to another place. Again I am repeating, mass movement of animals from one place to another place. That type of movement is called migration. Okay class, so mass movement of animals from one area to another area is called migration. It may be some small distance or maybe huge distance, or maybe they move from one, or like you can say from North Pole to South Pole. So this type of movement is observed in the animals. For what purpose? For the purpose of food, for the purpose of reproduction, for the purpose of shelter, for the purpose of saving themselves from the enemies or from the predator. So class, this pattern of movement is called migration. Now let's take some examples of migration. The first example is Arctic tern. It is a bird. Arctic tern is a bird, and its start movement from Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle, and again it goes back to the Arctic Circle. So you can say this bird travels the whole earth. Now understand the way the distance they cover, they are called the longest migratory birds. The next example is Siberian crane. Siberian crane. These birds come to India in every winter for the purpose of production. They stay for some time in the winter season and again go back to Siberia. The next example is fish, salmon. This salmon fish moves from sea to river for the purpose of reproduction, and after reproduction they again go back to sea. The next type of examples are some insects like locusts and butterflies. Locusts, when they move from one place to another, whatever crops comes in their way, they destroy all the crops. They destroy all the crops. So locusts are like very harmful for the human population. The next type of example is monarch butterfly. These butterflies travel from Canada to North America, or you can say Mexico. So in this way, different animals travel from one place to another place for the purpose of food, shelter, reproduction, and to save themselves from their enemies. So class, I hope you all understand this topic migration. Any problem, ask me. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.